This is how I made Mario's Odyssey. These are the things that you will need to complete the project. Here I have already cut the door and I have marked where I will stop the white yarn and start the red yarn. Here I'm starting with white yarn, doing just a simple basic stitch. When starting a new string, make sure that you hide the tail. This is the technique I use. When you get to the end of your yarn string, just take your needle and go under a few loops and pull it through to hide the end of the tail. Trim the excess with scissors. I did 12 rows of single loops. Now I am doing every 3 blocks. This is what the bottom of the front side looks like finished. Now I'm going to start with my red yarn. Here I am doing every 4 blocks. The top 3 rows will be stitched every 6 blocks. Here I have cut a hole for the window, and there will be another one on the other side to match. Here I have cut the hole for the window and outlined it in a hat design. This is the finished door. I am now attaching the door. This is the door fully attached. Now I'm going to edge the hat windows in white. This is what the window looks like fully edged in white. This will be the back of the Odyssey with the big circle lookout window. This is the finished back side. You want to make sure that they match and line up. This is the cutout for the window overhang that goes on the back of the Odyssey. I have already stitched it and edged it in yellow. I left the back unedged to attach to the back of the Odyssey. Here I am attaching the window overhang to the back of the Odyssey directly above the window. This is the cutout for the overhang that goes over the Odyssey's door. Here I have already attached it. Now I am joining the front and the back together. This is both sides joined together. This is going to be the bottom of the Odyssey. Here I am attaching the Odyssey's body to the bottom. This is the top of the Odyssey with the Power Moon juice attached. Here I have attached the globe to the front of the Odyssey. Here I am attaching the bottom platform to the Odyssey's floor. This is the cutout for the Odyssey's light that goes in the front. Here it is attached. This is the Odyssey's railing that goes around the back side. Here I am finishing attaching the railing to the back. This is one of the flags finished. This is the cutout for the little Mario flag. Here I have attached the flags where they go. This is the finished Odyssey. I have also made a set of stairs for the front. They are not attached. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.